Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer money from your Chase account to a credit union in 2025. With banking tech evolving fast, this process is now quicker and more secure than ever. Whether you're switching banks, paying off loans, or just managing your finances better, I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Chase account. You can do this via the Chase website or their mobile app. It's user-friendly and secure. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers or Payments section, which is usually right in the main dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Next, you'll need to add your credit union account as an external account. Click on Add External Account and enter the details like your credit union's routing number and account number. Pro tip: double-check these to avoid any delays or headaches. Chase might ask for verification, such as small test deposits or a security code, so keep an eye on your credit union account for that. Once verified, it's time to initiate the transfer. Go back to the Transfers page, select the amount you want to move, choose your Chase account as the source, and your credit union account as the destination. Review everything carefully, then hit Confirm. Easy peasy. Now, a few important tips. Transfers in 2025 can take anywhere from 1 to 3 business days, so plan ahead. Also, check for any fees. Chase might charge for external transfers, and your credit union could have their own policies. Always use a secure connection to protect your info, and if you're dealing with large amounts, consider enabling two-factor authentication. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your money. This method keeps things straightforward and helps you stay on top of your finances. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.